Welcome to Rolling Driftless. In this channel, we explore the backroads and scenic vistas across the driftless region of Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. We'll share the Rever routes as well as some video highlights from the ride. Today's ride was a loop in the hills south of Eau Claire on a chilly spring day. This was a short ride just to get out a bit this afternoon. The ride covered 80 miles in about an hour and 40 minutes. The route took County Highways W and BB down to Lookout. From there, we headed east on 121 and County E, eventually looping back north to hit County O and County D along the way. I'll post a link to the Rever route in the comments section. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video and want to see more like it.